TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 10 a.m. Eastern time on July 3rd. Half day of trading today. Markets closing at 1 o'clock. Closed tomorrow for the 4th. Back open for a full day of trading on Friday. And coming into the July 4th, we got the S&P hitting a record high at the open. Dow Jones right now up 60 points, trading at 26,846. We got the S&Ps up 8 points, trading at 2981. Nasdaq up 22 points, trading at 8,132. We're going to start things off. We're going to jump over, and why don't we start it off with some news of the day? We got some action in terms of economic indicators, job creation. So private payrolls, ADP rising just 102,000. Expectation had been for about 135,000. We also got the weekly jobless data. That number coming down to 221,000. Now we get non-farm payrolls on Friday. Pretty interesting in light of the holiday, the amount of numbers that we will be getting. Jumping back to the charts, we'll start it off with the Dow. We trade higher for most of the overnight session. Pretty tight trading range, all things considered, and we've just been hanging at this level. It might be July 4th weekend already. 26,838 in the Dow. NASDAQ 100 pulling back a bit from the highs we had at about 7 a.m., currently trading 78.44. S&P 500 backing off a bit as well. Made it up there to about 29.88 at about 7 a.m., currently trading 29.84, looking at the September futures. Crude oil with some volatility as well. Almost made it down below $56 at about 4:30 this morning, trading at 56.08. We're now up a solid dollar from that level, 57.02. How about that gold contract? Overnight, made it to 14.40 at about 9 p.m. Eastern time, backing off a bit at 14.17. Still pretty remarkable. Yesterday morning, we were at 13.90. And the euro-US dollar trading 112.97. In terms of what else you have out there, Tesla with some good action this morning as they delivered 95,000 vehicles in the second quarter, producing 87,000 cars. And to jump over, Elon having quite a day coming into that July 4th. Tesla up about 6%, had spiked as high as $244.99, backing off a bit to $37.65. Stay tuned, folks. Come back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Then, of course, Fast Market by TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, Kevin Hicks, and the team at 11. Basil Chapman at noon. And then we'll be closing it down at 1 with the market. Live programming, though, all day till 1 p.m. Have a great Thursday.